Hello guys, today I will show you how to apply step by step for an electronic diversity visa program for the US Department of State, okay? This is the website you're going to use. It's dvprogram.state.gov. Be aware of scammers. So here is the welcome message, and then if you want photo examples, they are here. They exist here. You can click on this and you will see acceptable photos. Let's go first there. It'll show us some examples. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so we will go back to the images to see the photo, how it should be. And then this is how to check the status. But here is begin entry. This green button, click on here to start the DV 2025 visa program to register. Okay, authentication. They need an authentication. Here it is C8 K C A W V. Submit. Here it is. You are going to enter here your last name or family name. Last name, family name. First name is like, let's put first name. So you're going literally to print your first and last name. This is easy part. You're going to choose if you are a male or female. Let's say, for example, I am a man, and I will click on male. Date of birth, I will choose, for example, this is the month. They always start with the month. Let's say I were born in November 11th, for example, 1992. Okay, that's an example. Enter birth city only. Birth city only. Don't enter district, county, province, or state. The city only. Let's say if you were born in New York City, put here New York. Where were you born? Let's put an example. What should we put here? Well, I'm gonna put something like New York. But you're out of the United States, so it should be, you should know that. You will find that on your ID, on your official ID. Country where you were born. Let's say, for example, you were born in Algeria. Let's say Algeria. Okay. Country of eligibility for the DV program. Your country of eligibility will normally be the same as your country of birth. Your country of eligibility is not related to where you live. If you were born in a country that is not eligible for DV program, please go to explanation of country of eligibility. Okay, are you claiming eligibility based on the country where you were born? It's a yes, unless you already know that people in your country are not allowed to apply for DV program for the US diversity lottery. So if not, you must enter the country from which you are claiming eligibility. Okay, so press yes here. 7. Entrance photograph. So here you will need to upload your photograph. Your photograph should be like this. So it has to be it has to be a white background. Make sure the background is white, not other color, not any other color. Okay? Your face should be visible. Your face should be visible. Do not make the photo like blurred or something like that. Okay? And it should be, the minimum requirement should be 600 by 600 pixel. 600 by 600 megapixel, that's the minimum, and the maximum is 1200 by 1200 pixels. And these are some examples that are not allowed. Look at this example. It's not allowed because it's not clear, it's dark. Another one here is where the filter is used. Do not use any filters, okay? Do not use filters. Make it white background, make it clear, normal, simple. Try to make your ears appear both. I mean, try to center it and loop yourself, okay? Try to make sure everything is clear. It's not blur like this photo or this one. And make sure there is no shadow of yourself behind you, as in this example. Okay, so you are going to upload, choose new photo here to upload a photo, and then you are going here to put your mailing address. You are going to put your mailing address, which is probably where you live. Put it here, address line 1. That's in care. This one, the first line is optional. The first line is optional. A is optional. So, okay, you put your address here. If you need to continue finishing it here, if not, just put it in the address line 1. Okay, the city or the town where you were born, where it's not where you were born, where you live right now, or it's a mailing address. So where do you want any mailing documents to go? Okay, district, country, province, state. Okay, postal code, zip code. In some countries, it's called postal code. Okay, country zip. Okay, the country, and you will select again. You remember when it's Algeria. So, and you are going to upload all the other informations. Country where you live today. Where do you live today? You might be born in Algeria, but let's say you are right now you are in Morocco. So you are going to choose here Morocco, even if you put Algeria here, because it's where you were born and where you want your documents to go. And here select a country where you live today. You live in Morocco, for example, you put here Morocco. And then your phone number, it's optional. And then your email address. This is not optional. Your email address is really critical, okay? Your email address is really critical. Put it here and never lose it. Because if you lose the confirmation number when you finish the application, you will receive a confirmation number. If you lose that, when the results come out, so you can recover them. You can recover that number using the email address you use. So put your email address and confirm it here, and remember it, never lose it. What's the highest level of education you have achieved as of today? So that depends on you. That depends where what's your level as of today. Primary school, high school. Okay, you are just going to choose. You know yourself. Okay, let's choose. For example, if I have a master degree, I'm gonna select here master degree. Okay, What's your current marital status? Unmarried, for example. This means you are single, unmarried. Okay, you're not married. And these are just any other cases. If you are married, do not lie in these options. Okay. Legally separated, you are going to need to enter your spouse information. If you choose this, you are going to enter spouse information. Okay. And you are going to need a court document, a court proof that you are legally separated. Number of children. If you have any kids, put them here. 1, 2, 0. If you have no one, just put 0 in here. Whether they are biological children or legally adopted children. You must include all eligible children, okay, even if they do not live with you or if they don't intend to apply for a diversity lottery visa. Even if you are willing to go alone to the United States without giving your kids a visa, you should put them here. And then you are going to put continue. That's where you will be given the confirmation number, and you need to print it. Once you finish all these, click on this, continue, and then it will take you to another page where you can print and save your informations, your confirmation number, your last name, and everything.